आग्नेय आश्रम वेर्णा ते नुवेच्या कार्मेल कॉलेजी मेरेन राष्ट्रीय महामार्गाच्या रुंदीकरणाक थळाव्यांनी खर विरोध केला। होच राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग वेस्टर्न बायपास फाटल्या कांय दिसां पयलीं वेस्टर्न बायपासाचें रुंदीकरण केल्लें। मागीर सरकार नुवेचो राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग कित्याक रुंदीकरण करपाक सोदता असो प्रश्न थळाव्यांक पडला। आग्नेय आश्रम वेर्णा ते नुवे कार्मेल कॉलेजीच्या मेरेनच्या रस्त्या कुशीक वेगवेगळ्या शैक्षणिक संस्था आसात। रस्तो रुंदीकरण केलो जाल्यार भरपूर येरादारीची कोयणी जावन लोकांक त्रास जातलो, देखून हो रस्तो रुंदीकरण करचो न्हय अशी मागणी थळाव्यांनी केल्या।
As well as the business community and members of the institutions strongly protest this widening of this road. The reasons for protesting the same is we feel that this widening is not required because there is already a bypass which is called the western bypass, which was made to avoid this road being widened. The road has already been widened up to about 15 to 16 meters, which is the actual requirement for a 4-lane highway. We don't see the necessity of increasing this for no reason at all. It seems that the proposal to widen this had been done before the bypass was commissioned. It's already been 3 years now that the bypass is in motion and vehicles, traffic is moving that side. Having this widening here is only going to create problems for us because we have schools, colleges, other institutions, restaurants, other business houses around the route where the widening is going to affect the businesses, the students traveling to the school, the parents who are going to drop the students in their school, and because of the additional traffic which is likely to be coming later on.